I recently bought an Australian Gold Kangaroo 1 ounce year 2020 coin from JM Bullion, and I wanted to share my experience with you through this unboxing. I placed the order in the middle of February, and it took a week to ship and another 5 days after that to get to me. When I bought this coin, it was around $17.84 per ounce for a spot price of gold, and I'm pretty sure that it was an $85 premium on this coin, which is not bad, all things considered. And this coin is made by the Perth Mint, which is a reputable mint, and it has a face value of 100 Australian dollars, and it's a respected currency. I like to buy coins to have as bullion. I personally do not like the idea of buying collectible high-proof coins with a special mint mark on it, accompanied by a proof grade or a certificate of authority. To me, that is less collectible because these coins aren't necessarily that rare. Sure, the mint can make a limited release of only 1,000 coins to artificially restrict the supply, but that is not what collectors look for when they collect coins. I think that a limited mintage bullion coin would be way better because when you get those, you have a higher purity, a lower price, and something that might actually be rare and obscure. For example, my first unboxing is of a 1 ounce golden Homer Simpson coin, and it was only $60 premium over spot price, but it was great because I got an ounce of gold with a funny cartoon character on it. What can I say? My wife still says that I'm still like a kid in a lot of ways. I do not believe that the value of the coin increases that much because it is high proof. The gold content will otherwise be the same, but there is still a cost of labor, and that extra hassle in storage because they're in a large plastic casing to protect it and also might have a certificate of authenticity with it. That takes up extra space and it's harder to store. I just saw a 1939 Joe DiMaggio baseball card on eBay for over $1,000. The thing to remember is that this card they're selling is made of paper, which is a bunch of cellulose fibers tangled together, molded, and then printed with ink on it. I would find it hard to believe that people might buy this as an investment in either paper, cellulose, or ink. People buy it because it is a rare collectible item. Therefore, if you buy a coin for the gold content, you should buy it with that in mind. People who buy proof coins aren't buying it for their gold content. They are buying it because it is collectible. So if you want to maximize the value of the metal that you get for your money, then you should focus on buying the metal and not some special proof something or whatever. I think that this Australian Gold Kangaroo is a great thing to get because of its lower premium, high purity, and that it is from a reputable mint. So it will be easy to sell in the future. These are the coin holders I like to buy. I'm transferring this Gold Kangaroo so that I can have everything in the same size holder. I personally think it's easier to store that way if I have everything of a uniform size. I was surprised when I took this coin out of the box and I was able to see just how beautiful it is. A 1 ounce Australian Gold Kangaroo coin. It is 1 ounce of 4/9 fine gold. It is so pretty to look at different angles under the light. I'm pretty sure that a proof coin could look even nicer, but for me, this is certainly good enough. Before going further, I would like to stress that there are reasons that people buy proof coins, but I don't actually know them that well. I have been told by some that there are certain tax advantages that they could carry, but I really have no idea. And proof coins are a whole other subsection of coin buyers, so if you want to know what advantages they have, you will have to ask one of them. But if you want to save for your future, and you want to save by stacking metals, you make sure that you buy what has the highest content of metal for the lowest premium. And if you do that, you will slowly start to see your stack grow in size and in value. I hope this was informative. Please be sure to check back in the future for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.